the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. This is also rumored now to bring a crease-free display with a new hinge. So we've already heard that we're going to get a minimal or crease-free display on the Z Fold 8 as well as the Z Fold 8 Wide. But this looks like, according to a new report from South Korea, that this is also going to be coming to the Z Flip 8. Now, it's going to be a new hinge mechanism, and it's also assumed that Samsung will be using ultra-thin glass, but a dual-layer ultra-thin glass to kind of minimize that crease. And the device itself, apart from that, doesn't seem to be massively exciting, shall we say. It will reportedly be 8 grams lighter than its predecessor. No change expected to the cameras, so we're most likely going to see a 50 megapixel main and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. External display, speaker, vibration motor, all are said to remain unchanged. And there are previous reports which suggest that the Z Flip 7 43,000 mAh battery capacity and 25 watts charging speeds will also make their way to the Z Flip 8. So no changes there. Now, at the same time, the latest reports do suggest that we'll be also seeing a slight price increase. So, storage and RAM prices were up. So it looks like, the Flip device, obviously it doesn't get as many headlines as the Fold, but now it seems like maybe Samsung's just kind of like, going a little bit easy on it. I thought they might make it a little bit thinner and, maybe do a few new changes, but it looks like they're keeping things relatively the same, just removing that crease.
I think with the Flip devices, because, Moto just had the announcement for their Flip devices, and also, you know, relatively no physical changes in terms of just the general Flip, because, they do have like 2 or 3 models of them, but there's generally no physical change, which I think just because of the way it's split and it's such a small footprint, there's only so much you can do. What I was hoping for, and hopefully it changes with now that Samsung is hearing rumors that there's a high density battery in the iPhone Fold, is that they
Yeah.
bring some of that. Like at least just get us to 5,000. You don't have to go super crazy because you don't have that footprint. But if you can get to 5,000 milliamps, then it's, it sounds like, it's cool. If that 5,000 adds the 8 grams that it took away, doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
It, it's
That's it.
fine. Even if it adds an extra 8 on top of that, it's still, I think it still will be fine. So, the one thing though that really is going to be interesting for me is how is Samsung, not necessarily just the Flip, but I'm kind of encapsulating Samsung this year. Just because even though like we haven't talked about the S26 that much, but Samsung, I feel this year feels behind, just to me personally. When you look at the likes of what Oppo is doing, with the foldable, with the regular devices, same thing with, even Vivo as well. So, hopefully Samsung uses this opportunity to at least add a little something to kind of like rejuvenate in there. But the rumors to me sound very, other than being creaseless, it's like, okay,
Yeah.
cool, you know.
Yeah, I agree with you. It's just I'd like to see a little bit more, but I think because they're also going to have the Z Fold 8 wide, I guess the Flip is kind of secondary. So it's just like incremental update this year. Maybe next year we're going to do something a little bit more exciting. But I totally agree with you that Samsung does need to kind of step the game up across the board, right? And they did that with the Z Fold 8 and, kind of bought it with the competition. And Oppo were like, hold my non-alcoholic beer.
You Tom Holland beer. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, just hold it here, and then we're gonna bring you the Find N6 with pretty much a creaseless display. So it is always good to see competition.
I hope you enjoyed that clip. If you want to hear the full podcast episode, then that will be linked down below. And if you want to see more clips like this, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss them.